Oh, guys, last night was so cold. It's now 16 degrees, so I don't know how cold it was before. But yeah, it is blistering cold. And now I have icicles on my window on the inside. And I really have to go pee, but I have to wait till this is clear. Yippee-ki-yay! I can't wait forever, so I fingernail scrape this. So this is my camping setup. I mean stove setup. So this is a Esbit system. It comes with sort of like this fireplace. We'll call that literally a fireplace. And then this holds the water, whatever you want to cook. And then you have a lid. And this all fits inside of each other, so it's super easy. And then I bought this, which is a windshield. And totally worth it, because a good gust, when you're trying to light it, it'll put it right out sometimes, especially when you're dealing with these guys. But yeah, I'm using solid fuel, which is what this is here, and it pretty much goes for about 8 minutes. Today I'm gonna make oatmeal and a little bit of this breakfast hash, and give some to Coco. Yeah, I don't think she'll like the green chilies, but and then I got this instant oatmeal yesterday at the trading post, but 10 packets, 10 breakfasts. Yum yum. Love good oatmeal. Yesterday I was dumb and only ate a banana, so it's dead easy, and you can see the water's already getting warm. It's only been on there for like 2 minutes. So this is half of the breakfast scramble. So I filled the hash with some water, putting a lid on it, gonna leave it for a couple minutes. And then I put the oatmeal over top of the flame, what's left of it, and gonna get this sort of to thicken. I have a feeling it's gonna be some watery oatmeal. I might have to add another packet and then save it once, if I don't eat all of it. So, review of the breakfast scramble. Delicious. Too spicy though to give to Coco, so she just gets normal food or normal kibble, which sucks because this would have been fun. Instead of boondocking, I'm gonna look into camping, see if there's any sites available now. There wasn't before, and there are, and it's $15 a night, so that's within my little budget. And so I got 4 nights at the Grand Canyon. I've been trying to rehydrate all day, so I'm gonna take an Allegra just in case it's like, maybe like some sort of thingy here I'm allergic to. And then I'm gonna cook lunch. I'm gonna try to get into the beef stew. I'm gonna hack at it with my knife maybe. But yeah.